Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a quick connect fitting. First, ensure your water supply is completely shut off to avoid any unexpected sprays. Next, open a nearby faucet to relieve pressure and drain any water remaining in the line. This crucial step prevents a mess and ensures a safer working environment. Having your new fitting and a utility knife ready will make the process smooth. Now let's remove the old fitting. If your fitting has a collet clip, remove it first. Then, firmly push the collet inward towards the fitting. While holding the collet in, pull the tube straight out. If the tube is stuck, gently twist it while pulling. Inspect the end of the tube for any damage or scoring. A clean cut is essential for a good seal. Before installing the new fitting, it's vital to prepare the tube. Use a sharp utility knife or tube cutter to make a clean, square cut on the end of the tube. This ensures a perfect seal. Remove any burrs or rough edges. Now, firmly push the prepared tube straight into the new quick connect fitting until it bottoms out. You should feel a slight resistance and then a secure connection. With the new fitting in place, it's time to test. Slowly turn your water supply back on, keeping a close eye on the new connection. Check for any drips or leaks. If you see any, turn off the water and reseat the tube. A secure, leak-free connection means you've successfully replaced your quick connect fitting. For more great deals and to find the Oala water bottle, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.